Hello everyone. Today we are going to have unboxing of Apple MacBook Air 2016 model, and which I purchased from Flipkart. Here is the packaging which I got from them. Packaging is not so good enough, and the courier service was also very bad because it delivered me in around 10 days. Let's see what's inside. We got this box inside, covered with bubble wrap. Let me take out this. See over here, it is the description written. 80,990 rupees and 128 gigabytes capacity. Okay, let's unbox this. 13-inch LED backlit widescreen, I think is written over here. Okay, cut it very carefully. Gravity, please help me. Yo, we got that. So here's the laptop. Okay. Oh, it's amazingly lightweight. Having my very first MacBook. Okay, let's keep this aside. Let's see what's in the box. This is some literature. Let's see what's inside. MacBook Air, some startup guide, and MacBook Air info, blah blah, and 2 medium-sized Apple logos. Okay. Here is the power connector. MagSafe 2 power connector. This is 6 feet long and this is 6 feet long, so you can use it. Okay. This is Indian pin, which we can, yeah. One more thing Apple had given us. This is rolling up. All this open like this so that you don't have to mess up with the wires. Okay, now if you want to extend this, if you have the connector in the other part of this world, then yeah, it's got 12 feet long now. See. Okay, keeping this aside, this foam like protect your apple in the transport. This side, here is the laptop. This is completely sealed, so you have to this. Whoa, what a laptop! It's amazingly lightweight, and oh, the feel is amazing. And the best part is you just need to lift it up like this. Whoa. Here we got some paper which will protect the screen. Okay, this is a very thin paper. Okay, so the trackpad, keyboard, amazingly awesome. And you see how thin is this? It's amazingly thin. Just think some millimeters. Here we got, best is this, you got 12 hours of battery backup. How Apple do that? Revolution in battery. And the best thing, one more thing is there, some MagSafe connector. Is when you connect this port like this, if anybody gets laptop, will not fall down if you are charging it on a table or something like that. Okay, so let me show you what I was using before. This is Dell XPS L502X, which I purchased in 2011. Let's compare it with this. Look the difference. Just look the difference. Oh, amazing. And amazingly lightweight. What I need to, it's very heavy, it's very lightweight. Okay, thank you guys. See you in our next video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.